Good morning everyone. Today we are headed up to LA for a very exciting event, which is the Fendace, so the Fendi and the Versace collaboration. And Fendi have invited me up to go and see their side of it, and I've done a bit of shopping already, just like on pre-orders. So yeah, we're gonna head up there now. We're just stopping for petrol. We're gonna do a bit of shopping. We're going to have a fun time at the event, and yeah, we'll see what we get up to. I'm very excited to take you guys along with me. These are the shoes of the day. They are my rainbow loops. I love these shoes so much, and they'll go perfectly with my outfit. I've not yet worn them too much actually, so I'm really excited to wear them, and they're super comfy too. Okay guys, we've made it to Rodeo. We are just going to our appointment now. I love a guy who shoots a light. We're got a few minutes, so we're moving it. These are all the pieces. Everything is absolutely stunning. I love these one pieces. And I love this. This was one of the pieces I was eyeing too. The denim is nice. I know, I was saying about those. The tumblers. This is so amazing, you guys. So many gorgeous pieces. This one is really cute actually. In person, I like it a lot more. The Fendi first. This is actually really cute, the Fendi first in there.
This is such a Versace
Yeah.
t-shirt, isn't it?
I do love this sweater. And look, the peekaboos. They're cute, aren't they? I love this sweater, so cute. This color is amazing. The hats are so cool. They have the menswear too, lots of silk pieces with the monograms. I think these are a really cool piece, the tuxedo pants. I like the slides too. This is the pop-up exclusive cup. I love the denim too. All the details are so good. Officially secured the bag. She's like, oh geez. So we're gonna go do a bit more shopping now and see what Rodeo has in store for us. Okay you guys, so we are on Sunset right now. We just did a bit of shopping on Rodeo and now we're headed to Kith. Okay guys, so just got to Kith. We're gonna go do a little bit of shopping. As you can see, I've changed into my flat. But yeah, it's her first time at Kith, so exciting. Bearing in mind, I always come here when I come to LA. Yeah, that's so cute. Look, yes. The new stuff is so cute. Oh my gosh, this little Alexander wearing it. Ooh, shop for some shoes. Do you like the high tops though, or you think the low top? Low top are cute.
Tops are cute.
Yeah. Oh wow, these are crazy. They're like slip-on bands. Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna get that set, but one of my favorite things ever about the Kith changing rooms is how you can change the lights to the time of the day so you can see how your outfit looks for every occasion. So you guys, we're in Fred Seagull and it is a store that we've never been to before, but they actually have the cutest stuff, like a bunch of brands that I really like, but also just like different brands and like vendors within, and it's so nice. I can't believe we've never been in. Oh, that's cute. Okay guys, so we are headed home now. We have had the most lovely day with Fendi at the Fendace pop-up. As you guys can see, the collection and everything was just amazing. It was, I mean, I don't even have words. Everything about it, the whole event, the clothes themselves, the pieces themselves were just amazing, and it was just such a great experience as always with Fendi. But yeah, we did a little bit of shopping, as you guys will see, on our way out of LA, and now we are headed back home. Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed the first part of this video, and I'm now going to unbox everything I got at the Fendace pop-up. As you guys can see, I got two big lovely bags full of Fendi Versace goodness. One of my favorite parts of this collaboration has to be the packaging. It is absolutely insane. I think probably one of my favorite packaging so far for collaborations in the designer world. I'm gonna unbox a few of the things that I picked up today and show you guys what I think of them. I have kind of opened a few of the boxes already because I was literally just too excited. First off, we have the receipt. Kind of makes it a little bit less bad when it's in such cute packaging. So I'll start off with the smallest box first. This is just so cute, and this was actually something, so a few of these pieces I did pre-order, and then on the day obviously everything was just so nice to see in person that I just like had to pick up more stuff. Definitely say with this collection, if you get a chance, go and see it in store, because there's just so many things that I saw, you know, in the lookbooks and stuff and didn't really even think of, and then when I went in store I was like, no, this is absolutely amazing, like I must have it. My advice would be, if you can, go and see this collection at your local Fendi or Versace store. I watched through the runway for this show too, and that was kind of how I chose like my pre-orders, but I do think definitely just seeing them in person and feeling all of the fabrics is the best way to shop this collection. The pop-up that I went to, as you guys saw in the video, was the Fendi and Versace sides of the collaboration. So if you guys didn't know, there was a side of the collaboration which was Donatella, so she is the head of Versace design for Fendi, and then Kim Jones, who is the head of Fendi Women's Ready to Wear right now, he did a collaboration for Versace, so there was a Fendi side and a Versace side, and at the pop-up I went to, they had both, but obviously if you visit, you know, the Versace store or the Fendi store, they'll have one or the other. With the first thing I got that I just picked up on the day because I thought it was so cute, this is the little Fendi Versace ring. As you guys can see, it has the double FF Fendi print along with the traditional Versace print as well. As you guys can see, it looks so cute on, and it will go with a lot of my other rings. I have a few Fendi rings that I like to wear a lot already, and so this is just going to layer perfectly with them, and it's just right up my street, and I thought it was such a nice piece of the collection. Next up, we have arguably one of my favorite pieces that I picked up. Again, the box is just absolutely amazing. I'm definitely going to keep these and just have them in my closet for decoration. This was immediately off of the bat the first thing I knew I wanted to order from this collection, just because I thought that they were something that was so unique but also something very wearable. These are the sunglasses. I had a few different types of sunglasses when I went, and I had originally ordered, I think it was the black color of these ones, but when I saw these in person I just knew that I had to have this color. So they are the cream sunglasses, and then they say Fendace in the gold on them. The details just really make these. I would say these are a similar shape to the classic Versace sunglasses that a lot of people have, you know, just with the Medusa medallion, but as you guys can see, they're so cute, and I just knew that I wanted to get these when I first saw them come out. I have a nice part of the collection to have that isn't too over the top, but just a nice hint. And as you guys can see, it has the gold details on the side. And they're just a nice classic shape. I originally had ordered the black of these, but I thought that the cream actually were really nice when I saw them in person, and so I decided to go with those. Next, another gorgeous box which has all of the detailing. I'll show you guys this up close because I mean, the boxes I just can't get over. This is just a little token of the collection as well. This silk twilly, and this will be perfect on either my Fendi or my Versace bags. As you guys can see, it has the traditional Versace like Baroque print on it, and then also the Fendi double Fs. The nice thing is too that obviously this is a very cute twilly from the collection, but also if you want it to be a little less loud, it's reversible and it just has the double FF print on the back in pink. And you guys know me, I love pink, and this will go with a lot of the bags that I have. It's also a really nice long thin twilly, which is kind of a similar size to the Chanel twillies. You're able to put it on my handbags, but then also I'll often wear them as neck scarves, or you can wear them in your hair. Like, I really like to wear my twillies just as headbands, and so this is a really nice hint of the collection too. I love this color combo. I think this is probably one of my favorite combinations that they did for the collection, was the pink, the light pink with the classic Versace print on top. They had a lot of ready-to-wear pieces with this as well, and they were just so gorgeous. Talking of ready-to-wear pieces, I did pick up one piece from the collection in the ready-to-wear. My advice for the ready-to-wear would be probably, if you had wanted anything in a very specific size, to have pre-ordered it, unfortunately, because when I went to the pop-up on the day, I was there very early, but even still on the floor they didn't have many sizes available, just because the pre-orders had already taken them. So I would say that you can definitely go and see if they still have things in your size, but it might be a little bit harder to get. So this is the Fendace logo swimsuit. It also doubles as a bodysuit, obviously, but I just thought this was so cute and will be really wearable. I mean, the black and gold is very classic, and again, just such a nice part of the collection, as this is the print that was on all of the boxes and the bags. It's a really flattering shape, and then the back has the Medusa head too. It's a low kind of scoop back, but I think that just makes it even more flattering, and it's just cut really, really nicely. Very classically Versace and Fendi, actually. I have swim from both and love them, so I think this will be really, really nice for the summer, and then also just as like a bodysuit as well. Even the tags for this collection were just next level. Next up, we have this. I don't know if I've shown you already, but the dust bags as well are just amazing. So as I said, I just loved this color combination. It was the light pink with the classic Versace print. And this is just a little travel bag. I thought this would be so cute for my next travels, and also again just something that's really nice and usable from the collection. The fabric of this is really nice, and it's coated too, so you know it's just going to wear really well and be the perfect beauty case. And also the details, I mean, the zip is so cute. And this is the perfect size for a nice travel bag. These were the pieces that I picked up from the collection so far. I absolutely loved all of the pieces from the collection, and like I said, you guys, it was just such an amazing time. Thank you again to my amazing Fendi family for letting me come on the day to come and shop all the amazing pieces. And definitely go and check it out if you can, because this is a collaboration that was really one of its kind, and obviously we're seeing, you know, a rise in designer collaborations in the designer space, but this was just something that we're going to look back in fashion history and absolutely love. So I hope you guys enjoyed what I got. Let me know what you think. What did you guys pick up from the collection, if anything? So let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.